ASML stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at ASML Holdings and I like this setup. I like it quite a lot. Not that I'm gonna randomly buy or anything, but it finally, did it give me the break? Yeah, it gave me the break. That's great. It gave me the 2-hour break. I just must see the second shift happening, and only after that am I going to be comfortable with buying. And notice what I'm sticking to. I'm just sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. It's only in the last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, which you obviously don't have to, right? That's why I'm here. But yeah, with ASML, that's how it's looking like for me. You have to be patient, man. You cannot just randomly start taking no trades. I mean, you can do that, but I'm telling you, I've done that and I've lost. So if you want to stay tuned to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.